Something you can quickly and inexpensively change that can make or break the sport of cycling is your seat. There are, seats for suit every price demand from $20 to $220. A more advanced, higher end, fancier, more expensive seat has things like titanium rails instead of steel rails. The base is made out of carbon fiber, very deluxe leather, crocodile skin. I mean, it gets as ridiculous as shoes. But the main thing that we want to focus on, talking about, is different shapes and styles of seats for different types of riding. This seat on here is a general, pretty general seat. It's 10.5 inches long. It's about 4.5 inches wide. Fits me pretty well. I find it to be pretty comfortable. The padding is firm, which is nice for me because I ride a lot, and a seat with lots of soft padding I actually find uncomfortable. I feel like the padding just moves away and I'm riding on the shell. This specific seat is designed more for BMX use or sort of freestyle use. It's not really designed to be sat on. It's designed as a place to sit when you're not standing up and pedaling. It's pretty heavy. It's pretty wide. The fact that it's fairly fat in the front allows you to pinch it with your knees to do tricks where you take your hands off the bar and stuff like that. It also has very thick, heavy steel rails. You can see someone's really used the heck out of this seat, and it's already bent. But a seat like this is you might find on a small dirt jumping mountain bike or certainly on a BMX bike. Some people put these on their normal trail bike because they think, oh, it's big and soft and be comfortable. But the width actually makes it uncomfortable. If we look here, it's fairly wide. It's 6.5 inches. It's 2 inches wider than the seat that's on my bike right now. Here are two other seats that are similar to that seat, but just have slight differences. If we look, this seat has a cutout up in the nose that makes it a little bit softer up there, which is good for people who spend a lot of time at the front of the bike. Much softer padding on this seat versus that seat. I actually prefer this seat to this seat for most of my riding. But next I'm going to show you how to change your seat to suit your preferences.